Welcome back to my YouTube channel. New car latest update. We're talking about some energizing news from Tesla that has got the auto world humming. Before we make a plunge, I want to write a remark: misinterpretation. Tesla didn't deliver a pickup truck rendition of the Model 3, rather they disclosed the Tesla digital truck in 2020, a cutting-edge and imaginative pickup truck with a novel plan, and highlights the digital truck as a game transformer ready to stir up the rivalry in additional ways than one. From its smooth plan to its bleeding-edge innovation, this electric pickup is set to blow some people's minds and raise eyebrows. Conventional pickup truck producers are confronting an intense challenge with Tesla's entrance into the market. The imaginative methodology of Tesla, joined with their obligation to supportability, is coming down on the laid-out players to up their game. It's a totally different situation and the rivalry is savage. So what makes the Tesla digital truck stand apart from this form? Its modern plan. Note for the execution abilities and maintainability highlights make it the hangout in the pickup truck market, and we should not disregard its stunning scope of north of 300 miles on a solitary charge, a reasonable assertion of Tesla's obligation to pushing the limits of what's taking everything into account. The Tesla digital truck is an awe-inspiring phenomenon. Its mix of creative plan, amazing execution and maintainability make it the standout in the pickup truck market. This electric force to be reckoned with has the potential to reform the business. What's more, prepare for a green future. Before we wrap up, remember to share your considerations on the Tesla Cybertruck in the remarks underneath, and if you have any desire to remain refreshed on everything electric vehicles, ensure to hit that buy button for more energizing content. Gratitude for watching, and I'll see you in the following video.